must be utility bills because I'm so familiar with that.
Energy bills cost nowadays a lot. However, previously they have no idea about energy consumption of each areas or each rooms. After installing the Tuya electricity meters, the property managers can monitor the consumption data in the real time, hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. Based on the data, the property managers can generate the bills for each rooms to let the students to pay the bills as they use. And the property managers can improve the ROI to have more profit on each apartment. As you see here, this is demonstrated for the location, different floors, different rooms. You have the daily data in the system. And on this photo that you see here, we have electricity meters to install in each rooms. Yeah, so the properties can use our web portals software to have overview on the rooms through the system. As you see here, so you can click the rooms by rooms. You can have each room's data, or you can choose the whole floors. So you can have an overview of the whole floors, whole buildings, the energy consumption, the daily or hourly. Okay, so as for the energy saving, we talk many times, and almost like 70% of people are interested, right? So the property managers in Nordics use our solutions, can set up automations. Suppose the occupancy detectors to confirm there are no people, no students in the room for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So the breaker on the right hand can switch off the power supply to achieve the purpose of energy savings. And definitely you can use our software to change the configuration to 5 minutes or 10 minutes yourself. So the solutions can be deployed. I mean, the configuration can be deployed to all 1,000 rooms. Just click the button on our platform. This is the benefits we bring to the property managers.
That's so good. A thousand room just controlled by one button.
Yes.
And we talk about the PIR, the human sensor thing before, and there are different packages, right?
Yeah. So we have another slide to demonstrate.
And we also have this questionnaire in the group chat, and we are not going to spend too much time in it because 70% of you care more about the solution.
Okay, so these photos to demonstrate how we deploy the occupancy detectors in Nordics student housings. So you can see how did the locations install this device.
I like the zoom in that we're demonstrating today.
Okay. Okay, let's talk about continue to talk about the energy savings. So we have other hardwares to recommend it for the washrooms. Like we have two solutions here. Solution one is like we use the motion sensors to work with the wall switch and to control the lighting to achieve the automations. And the second one, the solution B, is like we have the PIR sensors to work with the wall switch to achieve the energy savings. The difference of the two solutions is like the motion sensors are using the microwave technologies more accurate. For the solution B, they are using the PIR sensors is like a wireless element, so powered by the battery, so easy to be installed. So you can put it everywhere easily. These photos demonstrate a very good hardware. So this elements is like we call self-powered wall switch installed for the students in Nordics. So it's a kind of wireless product. So the students can place the switch everywhere as they want. They don't need to put on the wall, so they can put everywhere.
Well, when you introduced this one to me yesterday, I got really excited.
So let's talk about more about the hardware because I saw the most of people are interested on the locks as well, right? So mobile key is the core functions of our solution. So we provided the different types of IoT locks to cater for the different scenarios, different types of the doors globally. Okay. So besides the locks, we provided more IoT elements as you need, including the thermostat, sensor, different kind of sensors, wall switch, and so on. So working with these elements, you can make a use of the different features of the software.